I am concerned about this important bill going through Westminster as part of a private member's bill, that the impact on Welsh devolution and on the health and social care system here in Wales will not be fully considered and fully reflected. For example, the bill gives the Secretary of State the power by regulation to specify the medicines, the form, the manner and the conditions under which these assisted dying drugs are prescribed. If this bill passes, it will radically impact on devolved areas. What discussions, therefore, is the Counsel General having to ensure that the bill fully respects the devolution settlement here in Wales and fully engages with Welsh stakeholders? Diolch yn fawr.